today let's start with chapter number 2, components of foods. In this chapter, we will study about different components of foods. Now, I will tell you about malnutrition and its effects and appropriate measures to prevent malnutrition. First topic is nutrition and nutrients. Have you ever thought what happens to the food we eat? How do we get energy from? Now we will discuss about science behind food and its function. We can define nutrition as a science which tells us about what happens to the food when it enters our body. What is nutrition? It tells us about the food, what happens to the food when it enters our body, and therefore how is food digested and utilized. How does one grow from little baby to a young? How is food digested in our body and how a little young boy will turn into a adult? That's what I will tell you in this chapter. The food we eat contains chemical substance, and these chemical substances are known as nutrients. What are nutrients? They are invisible compounds in the food which are necessary for keeping the body healthy. They are necessary for keeping the body healthy. These nutrients have different names and functions to perform in our body. Now, what are the common nutrients? The common nutrients are, we have carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber and water, roughage and water. Now, functions of sources of food. First is carbohydrate. It is known as energy-giving food. Carbohydrates are important to our body. Fuel is to the car. As the fuel is important for the car, that's much the carbohydrate is important for our body. As fuel makes a car run, similarly, carbohydrates provide energy to the body, which it keeps it going throughout the day. Which food items in our diet contains carbohydrate? Like potato, rice, wheat, what they gives us carbohydrate. There are two types of carbohydrates in food, like sugars and starch. First is sugar. Sugar is called simple carbohydrate. It's a simple carbohydrate like fruits, honey, and sugar. Starch. They are called complex sugar. Plants store energy in a form of starch. When we eat plant products, they contain starch. And the digestive system, what it's do? It's break starch. जो starch होता है उसको किसमें तोड़ता है? Glucose. This glucose is absorbed in the blood and what is provide energy. Some foods gives carbohydrate to our body in a form of starch. They are cereals, potatoes, sweet potato, and what they are known as? They are known as carbohydrate rich, like sugar, honey, and jam. What they are in the form of sugar. Then we have fats. Carbohydrate, like carbohydrates, fats contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but it has different property. Fats also gives us energy. What fats gives us? They gives us more energy as compared to carbohydrate. And fats gives us more energy as fats are also called energy giving food. What are the sources of fats? Now I will tell you some sources of fat, like we have butter, meat, and cheese. What are these? These are the sources of fats. Now protein. Protein are the compound found in all living cells in animals and plants. They play an important role. What are they known as? They are known as bodybuilding food. Now, the word protein has been derived from Greek word protos, meaning primary, first, and protein are vital for the growth and repair, and functions are endless. Proteins, what are they? They are vital for growth and repair, and also their functions are endless. Food containing proteins are bodybuilding food, like we have pulses, fish, meat, and egg. What are these? These are protein rich. The protein from animal source are known as animal protein, and the protein from plant source are known as plant. Now, 1 gram of protein gives 4 kilos of energy, and adult needs 1 gram of protein for energy. Body per weight, like Rajiv weight is 52 kg. So, his protein requirement must be approximately 52 gram per day. Right? Now vitamins. What are vitamins? They are known as protective food. They are needed in very small amount and are essential for functioning of cell. But they cannot be manufactured by bodies. Vitamins helps in protecting our body against disease. Vitamins also helps in keeping our eyes, bone, teeth, and gums healthy. It helps in keeping our eye, bones, and gums healthy. Vitamins are of different type. They are known by different names. We have vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D, E, and vitamin K. Now I will tell you the sources of vitamins. We have different vitamins and what are the sources. Like we have vitamin A. We get vitamin A from orange, ripe yellow fruit, leafy vegetable, carrot, pumpkin, Spanish, and lettuce. Then we have vitamin B, pork, oatmeal, brown rice, vegetable, potatoes, liver, and egg. We get vitamin B. Vitamin C, many fruits and vegetables. Then vitamin D we get from fish, egg, liver, and mushroom. Vitamin E, many fruits and vegetables. K, green leafy vegetables, let's say like your Spanish, egg yolk, and your liver. Then we have minerals. Minerals have number of roles to play. Calcium, the most abundant mineral in the body, makes bone hard and is needed by nervous system and muscle. Minerals do not supply us with energy, but they are needed to build bones and teeth. And they are also help in the formation of red blood cells. Now, some of the important minerals required by our body are iron, iodine, calcium, copper, chlorine, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, chlorine, and magnesium. Then we have water. Water makes 3/4 of the brain and muscles. Every cells in the body is packed with water. Every cell are packed with water. And water transport nutrients and waste and help to control temperature and make the chemical reaction possible. And the body loses nearly 3 liters of water every day. What body needs? What it's do? It loses nearly 3/4 of water every day. Now, some of it is replaced in food such as fruits and vegetables. By drinking 6 to 8 glasses of liquid each day, it is recommended to maintain our body's water. To maintain our body water, that's why it is said that you must take 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Now, roughage. It is indigestible fibrous material of food known as roughage. It is called fiber. It is coarse, indigestible consequent of food which provides bulk to the diet and aids digestion. It contains roughage are whole grain, wheat, barley, and bran, as well as some edible food. Now, roughage prevents constipation and ensure proper bowel flow. What it helps in? It helps in proper bowel. Then we have balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains proper amount of nutrient. It's called balanced diet. Like fish, meat, and milk, pulses, fresh fruits, vegetables. It helps in regulating our body function. Our body should contain all the nutrients in proper portion. It must contain all the nutrients. Now, a diet that contains all the food constituent, namely protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and water in right proportion, it is called balanced diet. When we get a diet that contains proper amount of nutrients, it has proper amount of carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. It is called balanced diet. Now, in summary, if you do not get enough or any one of the food group or an adequate supply of essential nutrients, it results into failure of flourish, poor growth, poor development, your physical and mental health will be poor, there will be infection, disease, or even death. Therefore, consuming food in proportion to their nutritional value, it helps to prevent infection, disorder, and disease. On other hand, if you have too much of one of the food groups such as refined processed carbohydrate, it can lead to other problems. What are the problems? You may have weight gain, आपका weight बढ़ जाएगा, और इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंट डायबिटीज हो जाएगी, ओबेसिटी हो जाएगी, हार्ट कंडीशन, मेनी अदर डाइट रिलेटेड डिजीज हो सकती है, एंड इवन अ डेथ or a person may also get died. Then disease due to improper diet. There are many diseases that we get due to the improper diet. Deficiency is caused due to shortage of or absence of certain nutrients in our diet. Deficient disease is the condition which occurs in the body when a particular nutrient, जब कोई particular nutrient आपकी body में या meal में missing होता है for a longer period of time. ठीक है, जो आपको nutrients चाहिए वो आपको मिल नहीं रहे हैं longer period of time तक, तो आपको क्या हो जाती है deficiency disease. Now, let's study about the particular deficiency disease like we have malnutrition. It is caused due to deficiency of protein, like protein calorie malnutrition or protein energy malnutrition. Mainly, this deficiency occur in the children which are below the 5 year of age. In country, PEM is widely prevalent in children which belongs to poor or unprivileged community. When the child is suffering from PM, constant diarrhea and other infection occur due to low body resistance. It is of two type. When the protein intake, जो प्रोटीन कितना आपको चाहिए वो डेफिशिएंट है, लेकिन जो क्लोरी और जो एनर्जी है और जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट है वो सफिशिएंट है. एक कंडीशन ये वाली होती है. इस कंडीशन को क्या कहा जाता है? क्वाइश कोड. When the protein intake is deficient, but calories and energy from carbohydrates are sufficient, it is known as Quaish food. The child develops a pot-like belly. वैसे क्या होता है? pot-like belly हो जाती है जैसे उनकी होती है. Now दूसरा कंडीशन होता है when protein and energy both are insufficient, but prolonged period then the disease condition, इसको कहा जाता है NASH. ठीक है, इसमें जो ग्रोथ फेलियर हो जाती है, बच्चे की ग्रोथ ढंग से नहीं हो पाती है. Then we have deficiency of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are energy yield foods. What are these known as? These are known as energy yield. Deficiency lead to lack of energy in the body. A diet deficiency in carbohydrate. What causes mark of reduction of index? देखो जब when there is low carbohydrate in a diet, it causes fat preserves to be used as food. Then we have deficiency of fat. Fat provides needed energy. It is difficult to eat large amount of food in a very low fat diet. हो नहीं सकता कि आप बहुत लो फैट डाइट खा रहे हो, ज्यादा फूड खा सको. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. Fat is needed to prevent essential fatty acid deficiency. And fat, it is needed by our body to absorb fat soluble vitamins. Carbohydrate deficiency, lack of fat also result in tired. देखो आपको lethargic feel होता है, बहुत tired feel होता है. Now deficiency of vitamins. Each vitamins perform a particular function in the body. Lack of any of these cause deficiency disease. It affects your different body parts. आपके different body parts को affect कर सकता है. Because and cause the malfunctioning. Table below the mention some important functional disease which can occur due to deficiency of these vitamins. Then we have deficiency of mineral. Lack or deficiency of mineral causes poor development, impaired metabolism and general weakening of the body. जो body होती है उसमें क्या होता है? Weakness आने लग जाता है. ठीक है? These are the important components of food and your what different amounts of nutrients that your body needs like carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you. Now today let's start with the exercise of the chapter. Pick the correct option. Butter and ghee are the major source of protein, carbohydrates, fats. तो किसके होते हैं major source? Fats. Then we have goitre occurs due to deficiency. Goitre किसकी deficiency से होता है? Iodine. The nutrient used for growth and repair of cells. Growth and repair के जो हम nutrient use करते हैं वो आपका protein होता है. And calcium, it is a mineral. Then deposition of fats in the body leads to क्या होता है? Night blindness, goitre या फिर obesity. That is goitre. Now filling the blanks that get stored in the body to provide energy if required. तो क्या store होता है आपका? Fat. Now carbohydrates are the only source of dash for us. Energy. Iron mineral is required to form. क्या form करने के लिए? Hemoglobin. Lack of vitamin. कौन सी vitamin की कमी से rickets होते हैं? D. Dash is used for repair and growth of cell. Proteins. Now short answer type question. You have to write in one or two sentences. Now what are nutrients? आपको बताना है nutrients क्या है? These are the chemical substances that are required by our body in a proper amount. Why do we eat variety of food? To get a proper amount of nutrient in our diet. Some nutrients which is though important for our health are needed in small quantity. Name and it too. Water and liquids. What would happen if you eat energy in food in excess? जो आपकी एनर्जी है वो क्या हो जाती है, वो स्टोर हो जाती है फॉर द फ्यूचर। व्हाट इज रफेल? ये अनवांटेड वेस्ट होता है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन। डिस्कस द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ रफेल इन आवर बॉडी। आपको बताना है कि इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है। एक्सप्लेन द डेली हाउ लैक ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड फैट्स इफेक्ट आता है। चाहे फैट हो चाहे लैक ऑफ प्रोटीन हो, दोनों क्या करते हैं, हमारी बॉडी को इफेक्ट करते हैं। अगर लैक ऑफ प्रोटीन होगी तो आपकी बॉडी ज्यादा स्ट्रांग नहीं होगी, आपकी बोन्स वीक हो जाएगी। इफ देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ फैट्स तो आपको एनर्जी नहीं होगी, आप ज्यादा टाइम तक लॉन्ग आवर्स तक वर्क नहीं कर पाएंगे। व्हाई डू वी नीड मिनरल्स इन आवर बॉडी एंड व्हाट विल हैपन इफ वी टेक डेफिशिएंट इफ वी टेक फूड डेफिशिएंट इन मिनरल। आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी डिजीज जैसे आयोडीन की कमी से आपको वाइटर हो जाती है, बहुत सारी ऐसी डिजीज होती है दैट कॉज इन योर बॉडी। हाउ इज वाटर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी? गिव 3 पॉइंट्स टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर। दिस वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ये हमारी बॉडी को क्या रखता है, नरिश करता है। डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ व्हिच विटामिन कॉजेस नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस एंड व्हाट यू वुड यूज सजेस्ट टू प्रिवेंट दिस? विटामिन किसकी वजह से होती है आपको नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस? विटामिन ए की कमी से। ठीक है, आपको आपको वेजिटेबल्स, मिल्क, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स ये सब खाना है जिससे आप इसकी डेफिशिएंसी को कम कर सकते। नाउ our exercise has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.